friends. Good morning, students. Question: give the output of the following string functions. Mississippi dot index of s plus Mississippi dot last index of I. What is the use of this index of function? Do you know? Index of a function is used to find the index number of the given character. Okay, that means here s. That means first s, the index number of first s, and we know in the string functions case, when we consider with the string functions, the index number starts from 0. That means the zeroth index here m, and first index 1, second index s, like that way it will count. And in the case of only length function, we will start the counting from 1. Other functions will start the counting from 0. Because of that, the first index of s is equal to 2. Okay, first answer. Okay, 2 plus Mississippi dot last index of I means last index of means in this word what is the last index number of the last I. That means we can count here we have more than one I. But don't take first I, have to take the last I. Then we have to count like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last index number of I is equal to 10. First we got 2 here, then we got again you got 10 here. Then 2 plus 10 you will get 12. Then what's the first answer? 12. First question answer is 12. The next one, cable dot compare to kdet. When we work with the compare to function, first you have to write the ASCII code value of each particular alphabet here. That you know, if you have any doubt, please watch that video. You know, the ASCII code value of A starts from 65. That means first we will take this word C, cable C. Equate with this letter C. Both are same. Then you take the second letter. Here A and here also A. Both are also same. Then take the next letter. Here B, here D. Then you have to write B here, again D here. And near to this B, write the ASCII code value of B. What is ASCII code value of B? 66. And what is ASCII code value of D? 68. Then subtract from 66 to 68. That means you will get a negative 2. Understood all of you? Then first answer is 12 and second answer is negative 2. Like that way how to solve this problem. What's the next one? What is the return type of index ends with function? We know ends with function means you will get the argument whether this string is ends with this particular string or not. That means whether it is not or is it true or false. That means the outcome must be true or false. Because of that, the data type must be Boolean. You have to study all the functions return type also. Then only you can attend the exam, public exam easily. Then the answer is Boolean. Okay. Then next one, character letter is enclosed within dash. We know when we are writing a character letter, you have to use this single inverted comma. That is the answer, single inverted comma. If you are writing a string, what is the answer? Double inverted comma. Okay. Here, character letter, because of that, the answer is single inverted comma. What's the next question? Name a string function which removes the blank space provided in the prefix and suffix of a string. Which function is used to cut the blank spaces? Prefix means before and postfix means suffix means after space. Which function we are using? Trim function. Which function? Trim function. What is the use of this concat function? This function is used to join two strings. What's the use of this caret function? This function is used to find the find the character from the given position. Okay. And index of. Index of means what is the use of index of? To find the character from the to find the position of the given character. Okay. Then trim function is used to remove the blank spaces provided in the prefix and suffix of a string. Okay. And fifth question, write the output of the following statement. String is equal to failure is not failing. Int p is equal to s dot caret 5. Then you have to count the character from 0th index. That means 0, F, 1A, 2I, 3L for U, and fifth character is R. What is answer? R. Okay. System.out.println P, you will get answer as R. Okay. Like that way, how to solve the problem. Then sixth question, state the output of the following program segment string S is equal to examination int n is equal to S dot length. I told you when you are working with a length function, you have to start the count from 1. Okay, 1. That means how can you calculate this one? N is equal to S dot length. You will get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. That means N is equal to 11. Then system.out.println S dot start with the S dot. Then first you have to solve this inner part. That means S dot substring of 5 comma 11. What is the value of N here? 11. 5 comma 11. Okay, again I have to count the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 5 to 11 means you will get what is the fifth, which character is in the fifth position? N. Okay, from N to last position. That means we know the length is 11, but the last index number is 10. When we use this substring function, the first index number will be included and the last index number will be excluded. That means here 5 to 11 means you will get a 5 to 10 characters. That means 5 here N, 6A, 70, 8I, 9O and 10 is N. Then you will get as nation. Here you will get as nation. First you have to write the word here and write the index number. Then you will get to the correct answer. Okay. Other than all function will start the count from 0. Only this length function will start the count from 1. And S dot start with means you will get a S dot start with the nation. That means whether it is start with nation, the answer is true. But here it is not start with the nation. This word is start with the exam. Because of that, the answer must be false. Okay. I think you all understood this one. The next one. Here false is the answer. Okay. Write the output of the following statement. String S is equal to success is a journey. Int P is equal to S dot index of J. What's the index number of J here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Blank space also will be counted. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, you will get as 12 here. Then Q is equal to index number of Y. That means 12 means 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You will get as 18 here. But string S1 is equal to S dot substring of P comma cube. That means 12 comma 18. Then what will be the answer? 12 comma 18 you will get 12 to 17 characters. That means J O U R N E. Up to E you will get. This is the answer. That means 8 will be excluded. Understood all of you? Last index number will not take. But first from first to just next before the last index number. Okay. Then you will get Journe. The eighth one. This function is used to compare two strings to check whether both are identical or not after ignoring the case. Which function is used to equate two strings after ignoring the case? If it is not considering the cases, we are taking this equals ignore case function. Okay. But if you are considering the case, which function we will take? Equals function. But here we are not considering this cases. Because of that, the answer must be equal ignore case. And what's the use of this compare to? Whether one is greater or smaller. Like that way, if you want to check, you can use this compare to function. What's the use of concat function? To join two strings. But here the question is two strings to check whether both are identical or not after ignoring the case. Because of that, the answer must be equals ignore case. Okay. The next one. Write the output of the following statement. String S is equal to Ashish Kumar Sinha into P is equal to S dot index of I comma 5. I comma 5 means from fifth position we will start the counting. Okay, that means how can you start? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here only you may start the counting because the position already they had given. Don't take this I index. After fifth position, which I is coming, that number you have to take. Okay, 6. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 13. Okay. Again I will count 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is finished. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is the index number of this I? 14. That means I comma 5 means after fifth position you have to take the I, that character. Okay. If it is before that position, don't take this I. Okay. You have to take after the given position. Then the answer is 14. Understood all of you? Okay. If it is no number is if they are giving only this character, no need. First you have to take the first I. But if they mentioned in the question this index number, you have to take the I from after this position. Okay. Next question. State the data type and value y of y after the following is executed. Char x is equal to 7, y is equal to character dot is letter of x. That means in the x we know this is a digit, this is a number. But the function is letter. It's not a letter, we know. Because of that, the answer must be false. Then because what will be the data type of false? We know Boolean. Then they are asking, first you have to write the data type. What's the data type? Boolean. And the data value. Boolean and false. Don't write a false and Boolean like that way. Okay. This is the answer. Because they had, in the question they mentioned first, you have to write the data type. Okay. Is letter means to check whether it is a letter, the answer must be true. But here it is not a letter, because of that answer is false and the data type is Boolean. Okay. This is the answer. Like this way how to write the answer. All of you please try all the string function, then only you can answer like these questions. I sent already all the videos of yours string related to the string functions classes. You have to make a thorough revision of that one, otherwise you won't get time to take the revision of this portion. If you have any doubt, you can call me or you can mail through your personal mail. This is your answers. This answer I forget to mark this answer. I will give the answer. This answer are, if you want to take this question paper again, you can write the question and answer if you want. Here we know 12 and minus 2. Okay, I think all of you will do what I say. Then only if you make a thorough revision of this one, then only you can answer like this question. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.